Hello guys, how are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good day, my friends. Welcome back to another video. Hope you have a good day, my friends. My friends, in this video I'm talking about the Spore Finance latest update. What's the current price of Spore? What's the price changes occurring in the Spore Finance, my friends? You can see, my friends, first of all, the changes of the Spore Finance is positive. If you're a holder of Spore, so you already know about the changes of the Spore Finance, that in the previous time the Spore price is very petty terms, but only the latest situation of the Spore is going positive, my friends. You can see that the last 1 hour change is positive, last 1 day change is positive. From the yesterday Spore Finance started jumping, and still now the latest last 1 hour, latest last 60-minute price change is also positive, my friends. So still the changes of the Spore Finance is positive, and the people getting profit from Spore. And you can see, my friends, the price of the Spore Finance here is 0, but the price of Spore is not exact 0. Let's see, let me show you the price of the Spore. My friends, the chart is loading, so please at this time I request all of you, if you are new in my channel, please subscribe my channel for more news and updates videos. I hope you all subscribe my channel, my friends. If you subscribe my channel, so I'm sure about that absolutely you get a very highly and very helpful tips from Abby's Tech channel, my friends. So please subscribe now and don't forget to subscribe channel, my friends. My friends, at this time the chart of the Spore Finance is missing due to network. You can see, my friends, that you can see in the previous time the price very bad terms now, but in the latest situation the Spore Finance chain is going good, my friends. So I hope now the good time of Spore starts now, so enjoy it. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe channel for more news and updates videos.